I'm not sure that's a good filter to be able to see this. But right now it's raining. Like, pouring. Yeah, you can see it on the garage. Come on. There. Filming. Me. The camera's on this side.
Oh, excuse me.
That's the weirdest text message I think I've ever gotten. Anyway. Yeah. So it's pouring outside. It is July, and it is cold. Like, I'm kind of chilly. Like, I wouldn't put on a jacket or anything.
Might want to put a little cover up on it.
I hope we can get my people's.
But I'm sort of chilly, that's all. It's not really like thunder lightning-y rain though. Like all the thunder and lightning are far away, not here. Yeah, I'm still vlogging, Mom. Oh, hi, that's my thumb in the shot. Sorry guys, I don't edit these. Yeah. That's really cool lighting. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Captain Obvious. Hi, Mom.
Hello there.
There you are.
This 4th of July is out of control.
Thank you, Dad. His name is Ken, if you couldn't tell by how excited he was
I'm
about
on
that.
Mackenzie's blog right now. Probably the best
Vlog.
thing
It is
that
vlog
will ever
with a
happen
V.
to her blog. Ever.
It's not a blog. I don't have a blog. Well, I do have a blog, but it's a
Word
cum
for
blog. Hmm?
It's the blonde word for
They should
blog.
just change the word to Kenternet.
That's actually not that bad. Some of the ones that he comes up with are so much worse, like Kenalicious.
Or Kenfi. Well, Kenfi is
Kenternet. Hi, welcome to Kenternet.
Vlogging with my parents. A new experience every time. Anyway, well, kind of wet out here. I'm gonna turn my
Rain has
camera
a
off.
tendency to do
Yeah,
that.
so we're
Water
Make
does
things
too.
wet.
getting ready to host 20 people pool party.
My mother says 20 people as if it's a lot. We've had 80 people back here once upon a time. I think it was actually more than that, but whatever. It was a lot. I wasn't here. Thank goodness. I would have been beside myself.
Flamingos are enjoying the rain.
Classic pink flamingos. You know, like those mono-ornament pink flamingos? We have some, but their wings are like the little windmilly things. I don't know what they're called. Pinwheels, that's the word. And they're really exciting and hilariously cheesy, and therefore my mother and I find them very enjoyable.
Okay, well, we'll do that. Get up to the end.
The rain is currently falling at an angle like this. Sorry guys. I thought I was gonna end this because my parents are crazy, but guess not. It's been another minute and a half since then. Whatever. Going now. Bye.